Hey guys, welcome. And Apple has just announced their MacBook Air. Now this is the latest 2020 edition and it has brought huge improvements just because of one major upgrade, and that is the chipset. They dropped the Intel processor and used the M1 chipset, as they say. Now this means that the laptop is a silent one, fanless. Now Apple claims that the CPU performance will be 3.5 times faster and 5 times faster in GPU area compared to the previous Air gen. Now it's said to be that SSD will be also in double speed compared to the previous one. Now once you're browsing online, it will take you up to 15 hours for the battery to diminish, and playing video offline can go all the way up to 18 hours, and that is 6 hours more than the previous gen. So as per the design, the laptop stays the same, while the 13.3 inches retina display will have a true tone tech, which is a new thing here, and it also has a max brightness of 400 nits. It does also support P3 color space, which is better than sRGB screens out there. Now the laptop will also have a Wi-Fi 6 in it with 2 Thunderbolts with support of USB Type 4. Now this is pretty amazing to have 2 Thunderbolts port Type C. Nonetheless, the laptop will be retailed at $999. That is the 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU with 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM. Now if you want to bump that up to one more core, that is 8 GPU with the same 8 core of CPU and double the internal storage to 512 GB with same RAM, that will cost you additional $250. Now keeping in mind $100 will be off for students for educational purpose. Hope you guys found this helpful, and if you do, give a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more news, more contents and more features to be featured in this channel, and see you guys in the next video.